Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to write sa hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Sa. This character consists of 3 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this one. It goes from left to right with a stop at the end. Remember, in hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. As I said, the first stroke ends with a stop. The second stroke is this downward stroke. It ends with a jump like this. The last stroke is this little curved line. And it ends with a stop. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, and 3. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。